The brakes on this mower won't engage, so we're going to fix it today. So if your brake system is acting up, you could also be missing this spring. That was my case. The reason the handle wasn't engaging, there wasn't a spring here so it wasn't pulling this swing mechanism down so that it could latch into the proper hole. So when I go to put the brake on, this thing was still up here and it wasn't going into the latch. So check for the spring. Somehow my spring fell off and it latches right down here on the metal. It's not a hole, it just goes across the metal and that comes in over the bolt. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put it on there. Now we can lock it. See how it engages now? Now the brake is locked in the upper position. So if your handle's not coming far enough back to get it to the linkage, you might have to adjust these. You just by pulling the pin here and turning it either up or down. I had to raise these so I would get more clearance and get the stop here to engage. Here's a better shot of the linkage. This linkage goes into this bar and that keeps the handles from moving. Mine wasn't traveling up all the way and that's what was keeping it from engaging also. I had to hold the pin, screw this down so it would end up raising the latching bar and allow the brake handle to get into the right position. Okay, that's released. That's with the brake on. When that latches, it keeps the handles from moving and stopping the unit from traveling. Now the other problem I was having, what happened was I would engage it and it wouldn't release and I had to take something and pry it right here to get the brake off. So what I ended up doing was there was a very sharp edge right here on the slot where the roller goes into. So all I did was take a file. I didn't file much, I only filed about a 1/16 or 1/8 of an inch off this top piece right here to round it a little bit. That sharp edge was catching and holding that roller in there. Now it goes into place and locks it and it comes off easy. This mower is 14 years old and I guess just over time it created a wear point here where it was catching the roller. I also loosened this bolt right here so that the roller would turn. The roller was tight in here, so now the roller turns and that helps. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.